Let me take you back a little. The party spent 17 years in opposition before it won its first election in 55.
Mm-hmm.
What was it like having been a party for 17 years without having won an election?
I tell you something. One of the wonderful things is that we were never demoralized. We're always fighting, as I said to you, for the upward social mobility of the people. And we knew more about social change and societal changes that should be effected than the Jamaica Labour Party.
So even while in opposition?
So while in opposition, most time, but someone would call Norman Manley and ask his opinion.
Okay.
Yeah, many people don't know that.
So they were cousins?
They were cousins and so on.
But they had a good...
But someone respected him.
Okay. Having lost in 62 and we went into independence, again, what was that period like from 62 to 72?
62, we were coming back. In 67, we did better than we did in 62, but not quite as good. But in 72, we had these bandwagons. We are going around the country and showing people that we are not elitists. They didn't say that. I am saying that. And making people understand that we wanted to help the poor people.
So you're saying the party for a very long time had a perception of being an elitist party because of the...
No, many people thought so.
Okay.
Many people thought so.
Okay.
Mark, I might be the only man who expresses it openly,
Right.
but it's my opinion. Because we, all the educated people in Jamaica,
We're the People's National Party.
yes, people of merit and substance, and people not only of intellectual merit, but who understood economy and so on, were attached to the People's National Party.
Sir Howard, let's go to the